cielo, tanto que me costó ahorrarlo. Ah.
Heavy rain and storms in the U.S. state of Texas caused flooding. In a statement made by the Johnson County Emergency Management Office, it was stated that a 4-year-old child drowned when the vehicle he was in was caught in floodwaters. 2 people who were rescued from the vehicle were hospitalized. Water levels rose in many rivers, including the Trinity and San Jacinto rivers, due to the rainfall. In the state, where thousands of people have been evacuated since last week, at least 1,000 people were rescued from flooded houses and roads.
Look at this thing, look around! Debris landing on us! Look at the crew!
You guys, look. MacBooks can float. Okay, I heard that there were people out here. How about you? Well, I don't want to get sipped away, but I do want to check out my car. I found it.
Where's our sign is floating away? Joker.
Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I know. Come on, Pearl. Come on, Pearl. You gotta follow him around. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, Tater. Come on, Stovall. Cowboy now. I'll come back for you, Pearl. Come on, Pearl. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good girl. You stand right there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Pearl. Come on, Pearl. Come on, Pearl. You all right? Come on. Really would not. What are they going to do? Oh, no way. What are you doing? You're literally driving right into it. What are you doing? What is this person doing?
That is the creek.
What are, you're driving into the creek. No, 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 no. Stop. Stop. No, no, no. Okay, that got bad very quickly. Should we go down there and help?
Oh my god, he's going in the water. Oh my god. Oh my god. Get out! Get out! Get out!
Wow. Unbelievable. Big time hailpour intersect here northwest of Amarillo. I got about 0.75 to 1 inch hail currently falling. Been falling now for about 5 minutes. Time is 9:56 p.m.